In this video, I'll be going over my mid-February income report for Amazon KDP, YouTube, AdSense, and Etsy. So first, let's start with my KDP ads. I actually did not run any ads for February 2024 so far with KDP. I haven't run ads in a little while, looks like since August 2023. I may start running ads again at some point. I'm not really sure yet. I really just don't have the extra time or money to devote to ads right now. So moving over to my orders, I got 74 units ordered for February 1st through 15th, 2024. Have a total of 269 books. But if I go to compare books here, my top 10 has made up 54 of those orders. So majority of them are from 10 books. You don't necessarily need to have 100 books or anything like that to be able to make sales. There are people who only have one book and make plenty of sales. So I didn't want that to discourage anybody. A lot of these books are when I first started KDP and I was creating a lot of notebooks. But those are not my current bestsellers. I'll go over my bestsellers once we get to the royalties. But for now, my highest orders date so far is February 4th and February 5th with 10. And then my lowest is February 2nd and February 15th with 2. This is a bit of a slower month for me so far, but that's okay. I'm still pretty happy with this, especially for being all organic sales. So moving over to my royalties, this is $173.89. And looking at my royalties per day here, the fourth is currently the highest, somewhere around $23, and the first is around, looks like $21. And then the second is a little over $5, and the 15th is probably around $3 or $4. And my top 10 consists of 9 scrapbook paper, craft paper pad, and then 1 coupon book, and that's for orders. I think for royalties, it's most likely all scrapbook paper, craft paper pad in the top 10. I'm pretty sure if I'm remembering that correctly. And then other books that I have sold is 1 notebook so far. And I don't typically sell many notebooks, so I actually am pretty surprised this one sold. And I think it's the first time it's ever sold. And this was traded at least a year ago, I think, maybe even more than a year ago as of right now. So that's pretty cool. But the rest are all scrapbook paper, craft paper pad, aside from the 1 coupon book and the 1 notebook that has sold so far. And I'm pretty happy with that. And again, these are all organic sales, and I don't share this to brag or anything. I'm just sharing this to hopefully inspire and to also just document and track my journey with Amazon KDP. So moving over to YouTube, for the 1st through 15th of February 2024, I got 5.9K views, 235.6 watch time hours, 52 subscribers, and $49.42 in revenue. Now, this is definitely down quite a bit from what my channel has been, and that's pretty much, I feel like, solely because I just have not been active. I posted one video, it looks like February 1st, and then I posted one video on February 15th. And this one is doing really well, so my revenue has gone up since then, but normally my income report videos, especially my KDP ones, tend to kind of boost my channel a little bit, and the rest of the month I just haven't been posting. So this has pretty much been passive income, but it's been a lot lower than my previous months, and I'm not even halfway to 100. And I'm also doing February 1st through 15th, 2024, and there are 29 days in February in 2024, so it's a little more than half. So I really try to make over $100 a month on YouTube each month because that's how much I need in order to get paid out. You need a minimum of $100 from YouTube. So that's when I was like, oh no, like I'm not sure I'm gonna make it this month. So I'm really hoping to get multiple videos out to see if I can at least make it to $100. And if I don't, it's okay because that money rolls over to the next month, but I really would like to continue getting a payout every month. So I'm a little bit worried I might not make it to the $100 since I'm not even halfway there yet, but you never know. I still might make it there to the $100 threshold or minimum requirement. And that's okay. So just showing the difference here, subscribers, and then the revenue. So my lowest so far is $1.71 on the second, and the highest it looks like is $4.89 on the first. And if I just go to the revenue tab, we have my video here, a realistic first year of Amazon KDP being the highest, resize Amazon KDP cover, how to create a budget planner, my YouTube AdSense revenue July 2023. Oh, that's interesting. And then passive income accelerator program, 2-month honest review, personal results. That's also really interesting. These are usually in the top three here. The realistic first year Amazon KP, resize, and the budget planner video are usually somewhere in the top, but the other two I'm a little bit surprised by. So it's kind of cool that they're still performing pretty well now. I'm not sure if the passive income accelerator course is even still sold. I'm not currently an affiliate for that course anymore, but you'd have to check out passive income templates in case you were curious about that. I am currently an affiliate for the Low Content Profits Academy by Rachel Harrison Sund. Those are two courses that I've bought for KDP so far, and both of them have definitely helped me tremendously, in my opinion. But anyways, getting a little bit off track there, off topic. So for YouTube, January, I made $171.95. So just showing like the difference here. I was over $200 for a little bit, and then I dropped to below 200, and now really hoping to at least get over $100, but we'll see. It's I've been having a little bit of a hard time being consistent, and I've kind of been a little bit all over the place, but that's okay. I'm working on it, just trying to be realistic here. Sometimes it's really hard to balance everything, and that's okay. So I'm going to move on to Etsy. And before I keep going, I just want to thank the sponsor for this video, which is Everbee. And if you're looking to start Etsy, I highly, highly recommend using Everbee. You can search any sort of niche or keyword you'd like to, and Everbee will tell you how many monthly searches there are. And if you hit see more, you'll get a lot more information to work off of, which is pretty cool. And I'll bring up this whole keyword research tool, and you can literally just do whatever you would like to with this. You can adjust the filters, customize it, look at the competition. There are just so many different things that you can do. So I think that that is really cool, really unique, and different. So then moving on here, if we go to the Etsy calculator, you can actually type in the sales price of different products and go over the shipping price, discounts, costs, and it will tell you how much you actually would be making for a profit and your percentage. So if you're struggling to figure out what to price your listings at, I highly recommend using this, and also searching your product or similar products and seeing what your competitors are doing. And then if you want to offer a discount, but you're not sure how much money you would potentially lose, then you can type this in here and it will show you how much money you would actually get paid compared to if you didn't have the discount. So you can know if it's worth it to you or not. And there's even some more options here. So I definitely recommend using this tool. I found it very user-friendly. Like, I do find it very user-friendly and easy to use, easy to figure out. So I definitely recommend checking them out. I'll have a link to them in the description below. So moving over to Etsy for February 1st through 15th, 2024, my actual income. I got 24 visits, one order, 4.2% conversion rate, and $2.99 revenue. So I had a visit most days except for, let's like 3 of the days I didn't. I currently have 5 active listings on my Etsy account, and I haven't published one in a very long time so far. Again, I'm just still trying to find time for everything, and it is hard to just have time for all the different income streams, as well as my full-time job, my family, friends, and sports, and everything else going on. And that's okay, because I know a lot of you listening to this video or watching, or I'm pretty sure, I'm guessing, a lot of you also are very, very busy, and it's hard to find time for all of the extra businesses and side hustles or extra businesses that you're running. So it's okay. And then for orders, let's say I get an order on February 12th, I think. Let's do February 8th, 9th, 10th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Yep. And how many visits did I have that day? I think I had one visit potentially. Is that how much I had? I think so. And then I got 4.2% conversion rate. I think that's an average probably for the whole 1st through 15th there. And then revenue is $2.99. My profit is not $2.99. I think my profit is $2.01 maybe. There are, I think it's 53 cents or something in fees. And then because this was bought from some sort of Etsy ad or outside ad, it was an extra 15% or 20% taken off. So I think it's $2.01, but I'm not running any ads for this either. I'm not running ads for anything right now, not KDP, not YouTube, not Etsy. Like I'm not running my own personal side ads or anything like that, if that makes sense. So these are all organic sales here. So I'm happy with any sort of income I get from Etsy, especially with only 5 listings. And I still consider myself a beginner when it comes to Etsy. So pretty happy with that overall. And I really hope this video is helpful. I really hope that your February is going well so far. And again, this video is for February 1st through February 15th, 2024. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment them below. And please just remember to be kind. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I hope that you have a great day.